Mr. President Kanda of the Asian Development Bank, Honorable Ministers, Your Excellencies, Heads of Development Partner Agencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I also thank Reverend Dr. William Powell for the prayer and also the lighthouse story. I have another lighthouse story. There was this naval ship, big one, that was approaching a port, and the helmsman was heading straight according to his plotted course. Then the captain came up onto the bridge, and they saw this light ahead of them. And who is that? I don't know, sir. It got on this radio and got onto the international frequency and called out, "Hey, ship, change your course. This is HMS, whatever the big name of this big ship was, and the captain speaking." Word came back, "Please change your course." And the admiral on board came up onto the bridge. "Ship, change your course. This is the admiral speaking." And the other voice said, "Admiral, please change your course. This is Seaman so-and-so at the lighthouse." Thank you and welcome, and thank you very much for your impassioned speech. First of all, we acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we sit today. Na wano Suva, na turana roti Suva. We pay our respects to their chiefs, their past and present chiefs, as well as emerging leaders, and acknowledge their enduring role within the Vanua. We are grateful for their custodianship of this land and for allowing us to gather here today to witness this very important occasion. Once again, a very warm welcome to you all. It is a great honor as Prime Minister to join you this afternoon for the official opening of the Asian Development Bank's Pacific Sub-Regional Office on behalf of the President, the Chiefs, the government, and the people of Fiji. President Kanda, let me first extend to you our sincere appreciation and how honored we are for your presence in Suva today. This is a very clear indication to the government and the people of Fiji about the prominence of the Asian Development Bank role in Fiji and its securing development partnership with Fiji and the wider Pacific region. We are deeply honored. Today's opening is more than the unveiling of a new office and the various plaques and cutting of ribbons and so on. It represents a renewed commitment. It is a manifestation of the elevated partnership and a shared vision for a more resilient, prosperous, and sustainable Pacific region. The Asian Development Bank has been a trusted and long-standing development partner for Fiji for over 5 decades. And over those years, ADB support has contributed significantly to transformative investments across key sectors of our economy. from transport infrastructure that connects our peoples and supports economic growth to renewable energy initiatives that advance our climate commitments and to water and sanitation projects that improve public health and quality of life. ADB has stood firmly with Fiji and its people during times of great prospects and adversity. On this day, exactly 10 years ago, Fiji experienced its most severe and devastating Category 5 cyclone, Winston. ADB responded swiftly by providing much needed financial and technical assistance to support our post-disaster response and rebuilding efforts. During the unprecedented challenges of COVID-19 pandemic, ADB again responded with purpose to provide budget support, assisted in safeguarding the livelihoods of our people in Fiji, and stabilizing our economy and enabling our recovery. For this steadfast partnership and unwavering commitment, we express our profound gratitude to you, Your Excellency, and to the Asian Development Bank. The establishment of the Pacific Sub-Regional Office in Suva is a major milestone. It elevates the relationship of the bank and the countries in the Pacific to a higher level of cooperation, of engagement and partnership, and quality service to the region. Your Excellency, as you are aware, the Pacific is unique in its history, geographical character, and also its culture and customs. You had the taste of those as you passed through the islands earlier on this voyage, on this trip. As small island economies scattered over approximately 165 square kilometers, the Pacific also faces unique challenges such as isolation, small market size, heightened vulnerability to climate change, fragile ecosystems, and exposure to external economic shocks. And these realities require concerted development solutions that are tailored, responsive, and grounded in a deep understanding of the region. Can I ask somebody to give a glass of water to the man manning the powerhouse? A strengthened ADB presence in Fiji enhances strengthened coordination, improves responsiveness, and deepens our relationship and engagement in the pursuit of resilient development. It signals ADB's long-term confidence in the region and understanding and recognition that the development priorities of Pacific Islands and island countries require an in-depth, focused, and thorough understanding, and our commitment as island countries to the Forum's 2050 strategy for the Blue Pacific continent and Fiji's declaration of the Pacific as an ocean of peace. Suva, as a regional hub, is strategically positioned to serve as a center for development cooperation, and knowledge sharing right across the Pacific. In the next 15 years, we shall endeavor to transform our Suva port into a modern regional hub to facilitate trade, market access, and movement of people with the modern ancillary services. We acknowledge the technical assistance provided by the Asian Development Bank in undertaking rigorous modeling and mapping out a realistic way forward for our Suva port relocation options in the next 5 decades. For Fiji, our development pathway is guided by a clear vision, a vision of empowering the people of Fiji through unity, and one that prioritizes economic resilience to future external shocks, empowerment of our people in all facets of our economic and social development, and good governance. As a small island development country, climate change remains our single greatest existential threat. Rising sea levels, stronger cyclones, coastal erosion, and shifting weather patterns affect not just our economy, but our vulnerable communities, cultural and traditional heritage sites, and fragile ecosystems. We therefore welcome ADB's strong commitment of bringing your services to our region, including advocacy for climate finance, renewable energy transition, and resilient infrastructure. At the same time, we are focused on strengthening our fiscal sustainability and improving public sector efficiency through our current functional review of the civil service and online investment approval processes to ensure that every development dollar delivers maximum impact for our people and creates the expected returns for our investors and businessmen. The Ministry of Strategic Planning, National Development and Statistics, under my portfolio at the moment, continues to play a central role in ensuring that donor-funded programs align with our national development priorities, that they are grounded in sound financial and technical feasibility assessments, and contribute meaningfully to Fiji's key focus areas in our National Development Plan 2025 to 2029. Your Excellency, the Pacific does not seek charity. We seek partnership. We seek partnership built on mutual respect and trust, transparency, accountability, understanding of our unique development aspirations, and shared ambition. A partnership founded on fundamentals of evidence-based policy decision-making. The opening of this sub-regional office manifests the bank's resolve to elevate the delivery of its services to the region, and that is not only economically viable, but socially inclusive and environmentally sustainable. Mr. President, we look forward to working closely with ADB to mobilize climate finance for infrastructure development, to strengthen private sector development, to enhance regional connectivity, to support digital transformation, and to build resilient communities across Fiji and the Pacific. In the next few weeks, our staff and I will be relocating to this amazing building if they found space. We'll also be sharing the panoramic view of Suva Harbor and its surrounds, and maybe every once in a while share a bowl of kava with your officials. Not for too long and not too many. Renovations are planned for my current office, and I'm sure I will be seeing more of your sub-regional staff within the building complex once we relocate to this building. Mr. President, I conclude by reiterating that today we mark a new chapter in the Pacific and ADB partnership. We mark a chapter defined by deeper collaboration, stronger regional engagement, and a shared commitment to building a Pacific that is resilient, innovative, and prosperous. Your Excellency, on behalf of the government of the people of Fiji, I thank the Asian Development Bank for our enduring partnership and cooperation over the past decades. May this Pacific sub-regional office serve as a beacon of hope, cooperation, innovation, and sustainable development for generations to come. With these few words, I have great pleasure and joy, Mr. President, in joining you to celebrate the Asian Development Bank's new Pacific Sub-Regional Office. Level, and thank you very much. Level.
Mr. President.